Beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about speed optimization and how we can improve the speed of our website. Google SEO is actually all about the user experience, and the user experience is very important. So slow opening websites or the sites which will open after 3 seconds of time that are not actually recommended by Google. So the most websites which are actually speedy, that will lead the industry. Okay, so for searching out that our website is on which speed we can actually open a website here. One more important thing is that we don't have any content on our website right now, so it doesn't matter if we check out the speed or not, but I'm just showing you the technique that how you will find out the problems and how you will speed up your website properly. So I'm just going to give you an idea. Definitely later on, when we will add more articles and categories, and when our website will be completed, then we will definitely recheck our website and we will analyze the website again. So there is a website gtmetrics.com. On this website you can simply copy and paste your domain and just click on test your website. You don't need to log in to your this website. If you are logged in, then it's also beneficial because you can check your website speed with different servers, different countries, etc. But for now we will just do the search by default, and you can see he's taking some time, and he will give us the result in a while, hopefully. And now this is the result which is available now, and you can see that we have a grade right now, which is very nice, but definitely we don't have any content, so we have to get the A grade. That's not a impressive thing right now. And then you can see web vitals, and after that you can see this thing. This is very important thing. So speed visualization. So this is a you can see that our site is loaded within 1.7 seconds, which is good. Okay, but with all of the content which we will add on our website, this time should not exceed 3 seconds. Okay, so if it is in between 3 seconds, then our website is absolutely good. But for now I just show you the technique that how you can test out your website speed. Also you will see the recommendation like top issues. You can see that the top issues: eliminate render blocking resources. If you have, definitely we have on the website, and you can click here and you can get the idea as well that from where that resources are which are blocking our the rendering. And after that you will find out all the details again in detail for optimizing the speed of your website. Okay, so image optimization is also very important. The images should be very in a very lower size, so it will speed up your website. And also the other factors are also involved. Definitely when our website will be completed, we will learn about we will just review our website again, and we will improve the different sections. Hopefully that's it for this video. Goodbye.